The takedown process for the Walther PPK-S is somewhat unconventional compared to modern pistols. For starters, ensure your weapon is safe and empty. Check it once, check it twice. Also, you want to make sure that the safety selector is in the safe position. With your support hand, pull the trigger guard down and pull it slightly to the side. You can use your trigger finger to kind of help hold it in that position while you perform the rest of the action. With your support hand, take a firm grip of the cocking serrations and pull the slide to its rearmost position and lift it, and that will allow you to slip the slide off the front of the pistol. The recoil spring can be removed from here, but in this case I'm just going to leave it on there because the pistol's not that dirty and cleanup is going to be a snap. Remember to clean from the chamber to avoid damaging the crown of your barrel. Once the pistol's clean, reassembly goes in reverse order. Once reassembly is complete, be sure to function test the pistol, being careful not to let the hammer fall on the firing pin without a snap cap or similar device in the chamber. That's it, folks. Happy shooting.